Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your subscriptions on your Nintendo Switch. So if you want to go ahead and maybe manage this or cancel it or delete or extend it, on the home screen here, let's go up to the top left and go to our profile icon. Mine is Timbo's page right here. Select this. And then on the left side of the screen, we want to scroll on down to user settings. And then go to the right. And you can see Nintendo account. We want to go past that. Go to Nintendo Switch Online. Check your subscriptions. Then this page is going to go to orange and it's going to do this thing back and forth. And it'll finally load to the page that we want to go ahead and see. Might just take a while, so give it about 15 seconds to go ahead and load, and then it's going to go to this. Then you can see Nintendo Switch Online. You can go to membership options in the upper right, and then since I don't have a membership, it's just going to give me options to go ahead and purchase it. So you can see everything under here. So if you want to go and buy it, you can proceed to the purchase. Otherwise, you can go to your subscriptions right here, and then go to this. It says you do not have any passes, but you can manage your subscriptions right here, and then you can cancel it out and stop the auto renew from here as well. So just go to view details right here, and you can just manage it. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.